And now, for past perfect continuous, we're going to go back just like the pattern we see on the present tense. It's going to be like the same thing. We're going to go back to our past continuous marker, which is the T and the A, but we're going to use tab. If I say T plus A, you already know this is tab. It's going to be tab, and we're going to use that plus something else. Like I could say, an example, the tab, travail, avant, soleil, lever. Avant soleil, lever. It's our way to say this. But if you want to be like, you want to say, avant soleil la te lever. Avant soleil la te lever. Okay? But we Haitians can say, l'état de travail avant soleil levé. L'état de travail avant soleil là, te levé. Meaning, he had been working before sunrise. He had been working before sunrise. L'état de travail avant soleil là, te levé. Or, I can say, he had been working before the explosion happened, right? Yeah. So, l'état de travail avant explosion en été fait. L'état de travail avant que tu prennes courant. An hour, yeah, back on, right? Before the blackout, avant blackout là.
On nous parle créole là, qui s'y bête. Les créoles là, c'est l'homme qui pipelle. Sous la tête parce que c'est l'un d'Aïsson.